Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super easy trick on how to create a YouTube banner using the app called Canva. Whether you're a beginner or you're just starting out, oh, the flies are too much here. Whether you're a beginner or you're just starting out to create a YouTube channel, this tutorial will help you to design a banner that will make your channel stand out. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through 7 steps to create a beautiful banner for your YouTube channel. So let's dive into these settings. So in today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how I created this YouTube banner with Canva. You know, Canva is a free design app where you can create your YouTube banner, your YouTube thumbnails, or even your YouTube videos and lots more. Having a YouTube banner makes your channel stands out because you know when people comes to your channel, the first thing they see is your banner. So having a professional design banner makes your channel stands out, and this will allow people to come to your channel more and more to watch you through. So the second step is to head over to our Canva app. If you haven't got an account or you haven't created an account, make sure you signed up for free, and it only takes a minute for you to sign up. So let's click the Canva app here. So this is the Canva homepage. So what you're searching for here is your YouTube banner. So you click on YouTube banner. So the first thing that comes in is a blank template. So that is if you want to create your YouTube banner from the scratch, you can use this. So since this is just a tutorial, we're not gonna create a new banner. So we are heading over to design. So you see Canva has a lot of template here for you to choose from. So you can choose any design here that suits or that can fit your channel or that suits your interest. But however, if you check through or you scroll through and you haven't seen any banner that interested you, you can always create from the scratch from the plain template that I showed you from the start. So the third step is to choose your YouTube banner that you think that suits you best. So I'm going to choose the one I'm already using, which is this one. So now the fourth step is to customize your design. So because we're not going to use this design due to copyright strike, so you need to edit some features here and make it look as originally as your own. What we're going to do is to change the writing. I'm gonna give it my own name. You can choose any name. You can either use your channel name or you can give it a brand name that is suitable for you. So we change the font size. The reason why I'm changing the font size because the name I gave my channel or my banner was a bit longer than that. So I'm gonna adjust the font size and then go to edit. From edit, I highlighted the writing again. Now I'll enter the name of my banner. So that's Maria's Growth Hub. So we see it just suits perfectly. It just suits perfectly there. So I'm going to adjust it a little bit. I think that's better. Okay, it just fits one straight line. So here you can change the color to whatever color you wanted it. So I think I prefer that color that is already have. So now you go to format. I want it bold. So you click on the bold. So now it's bold. So the next thing now, I think I've done with that. So now I'm going for the second highlight there. So I need to change the highlight there. What it says there, it says food vlogger. My channel is not a food vlogger, so I need to change that as well. So I'm going to edit. So the name I'm gonna give it, I will just say YouTube channel. Make it simple. YouTube channel. And then you can adjust. Highlight. You always highlight what you want to adjust. So you change the font style for it to be on one page. I think, okay, that's better. So now we've finished with that. You can either change the color of that as well. I think, let me change the color for that as well. Let me see which color suit is best. Brown, black. I think black is better. And then I can always make it bold as well. Okay, like that. That's perfect. So now this subscribe, you can either leave it as it is, or ideally I'll just change the color of that. So let me see, I'll give it as a black. This, I'm just looking around what color suits best. So I think the black looks good. So now let me give it as a bold, so that it will be stand out. So you see, so I've changed the color of that. The bell, I will leave the bell as it is. Now we've done with our customizing the name and writing. We customize that. So the most important one now is your image. So what we're gonna do, we're going to click on the image. So I'm not gonna replace the image, so just take it as if this is your first time. So I'm going to delete this image. So image deleted. So now the image has gone. So make sure whenever you want to create a banner from Canva, you've already uploaded your own image that you want. So what you will do, you go to your gallery or you go to upload, because you can either go to your gallery, that is for your phone gallery, or you can go to upload if you've already saved your image from Canva. So I'm going to the ones I've already created, downloaded on Canva. So I choose the best one. So this is it. You bring it here and you just adjust it to the way it suits. Like you see, immediately I brought it over here, it's already adjusted. So make sure you resize and adjust your image as well as the customized writing there, because remember, when you're creating a YouTube banner, is for 3 devices, which is a mobile phone, tablet, and as well as a computer page. So you want it to be suitable for all 3 devices. So this is how you create a banner. So now that you've created your banner, if you're happy with what you've already created, so now the next thing you need to do is to download it from the right hand corner side here. You go to download and then download again. So voila, your image has been downloaded. So when you head over to your phone gallery, and now there you have it, you've created your professional YouTube banner, created just in a few minutes. So now you have it, a very beautiful professional banner. Now what you need to do now is to create those beautiful videos of yours and start uploading them on your YouTube channel. Now you've got your beautiful banner and then you have your beautiful videos. So what remains now is for you to be consistent uploading your videos on YouTube. Let me know in the comment section below if you find this content very helpful, and please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more YouTube tips, and hit the notification button on so that each time I upload any of this new video, you will be the first one to know. I will see you on the next video. What a beautiful day today. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day.